Okay, Hazemig here. So I just realized I have to use that chain. um, yeah. The stock sprocket. I think this is the stock sprocket that came with my Light B, and it's a 48 tooth because it says 48 420 here, and on the on the wheel here, it says 42 somewhere. I guarantee you it says 42. I just can't see it right now. Oh, right here, 42. 42, 420. So it's a 420 pitch, or it's a 420 chain, and it's 42 teeth. So what they had done, with this wheel is, so this is going to be like the chain installation video for the Supermoto wheel. So the wheel is a lot smaller, as you can see. Let's nah, it's fine. I don't need to know how much bigger it is, but here's the wheel, and I showed you it earlier how much bigger it is. So, but I will just line them up like that, and you can see how much bigger the wheel. So the stock wheel just eclipses the freaking Supermoto wheel. If you look here, I know it's about an extra tire, man. It's about a good like 2-3 inches shorter, you know. So that's gonna make the drivetrain spin like it's gonna spin much faster, is what it's gonna do. So to account for that, they installed a 42 tooth sprocket, so it spins slower. Right? Is that the way it works? Anyway, they put a 42 tooth sprocket on this, so it won't throw the speedometer off, because that's the problem we had with the 60 tooth sprocket. It throws the speedometer off because it's too big. It says you're going too fast, so it's spinning really fast. So when you go up on the rear sprocket, it reports it faster. So if you're doing like 50, you're really only doing like 30 something. What they're doing here is they're doing the opposite. This has the opposite effect. It has a smaller sprocket, so it makes the speedometer read slower. But since we have a smaller wheel diameter, it makes the wheel spin faster. The wheel will spin faster. So to counteract that, this wheel spins faster than that wheel. So to counteract that, they use a smaller sprocket. So you'll get the same top speed, is what they're saying, because the wheel is smaller. And I've actually never ridden with the stock sprocket before, so this will be kind of cool. I don't really know what the top speed is, so we'll find out. It's 36 miles an hour with a 62 sprocket. I know that. I've never tried this one. I don't know how it would be on this one. So, but anyway, they give you the right chain. This is 106 links, so I guess I'm gonna have to use it. I hate to say it, I'm gonna have to use it. It's a KMC chain. This is what they're rocking. My old chain, it fell off my bike yesterday, so I'm not gonna lie. Like, here it is. It's in a Jack-in-the-Box bag. Hey, watch that video. It's quite interesting. It's the first time a chain has ever come off my bike while I was riding. At least a motorcycle. And yeah, that's it right there. So I was able to save the chain. And nothing got damaged on the bike, luckily. Yeah, I got really lucky. The wheel could have locked up or something. But this is the stock chain. This is a stock chain with extra links added to it to make it work with the 60 tooth sprocket. So it has extra links. So it actually had 2 master links. So in my opinion, that's a really bad idea. If you can just get the correct size chain, only run 1 master link. Because if you run 2 master links, that's 2 things that could fail, you know. And so for this video, I will be safety wiring the master link. I will be safety wiring the master link on because I don't want it to come off anymore. So I went to Harbor Freight today and I bought some safety wire pliers. So these guys. I've been wanting to buy one of these for a long time, and I finally have a reason to buy it. It's a safety wire freaking stuff to the bike. Safety wire, the master link, and other bolts from coming out. So yeah, if you're not a stranger to doing track days, they want you to safety wire like everything. So because they don't want anything coming off on the track, you know, because you're doing like fast speeds and stuff. You don't want anything coming out. So all right, so the last video was installing the wheels and the new fender, the X fender, so this video will cover installing the chain on this bike. So yeah, let's go and do it. So this is the chain. It's nice and brand new. So it's a KMC, I think 106 links is what it says. So the first thing we got to do is we got to break the chain, because it's already got the link in there. So I will show you how to do that. Also, I'm going to tell you now, I'm not a big fan of the clip type, what is it? The clip type master links. I run on like all my bikes except for that one. I run a rivet type master link. So this is what I'm talking about here. Right here. Oh, yeah, right here. So see how this one link here is different than the other ones. It's kind of like a bowl shaped type dealie. This is a rivet type. So basically, they mushroom this rivet, and then it's a master link. It's a master link, but they mushroomed it to keep it in there. And it's so to take those off, they're not easy to take off. You gotta either press them out or you gotta grind the pin down. So the good thing about the clip type is it's easy to take on and take off, and that's what I want with this bike, because I'm going to be switching sprocket sizes. So that one has a really big one and this one has a really small one. So it's too bad it's not like a bicycle where you can just buy a cassette, you know, and just keep on changing things, but it's okay. But yeah, all right. So we need a 106 link chain to work this guy here. So I'm going to show you how to take the chain. To disassemble the chain, you're going to need these tools. So if you have like a master link pliers, I ordered some, but I don't have them. But I found a way to do it by watching on YouTube. So you need a hammer and a chisel or a screwdriver. And if you're going to be doing this, you should be wearing safety glasses. Okay, I have donned my safety glasses. So the master link is right there in the middle of everything. Let me go get some more. Okay, so there's that's the master link right there. Basically, let's do it this way. Let's turn the chain this way. So there's going to be an open end. There's going to be open end here, and then a closed end here. So you're going to want to try to do this so you guys can see. The lighting is real bad. Okay. So you're going to have to find something to hold it in there. Just kind of hold the chain so it doesn't go flying off when you hit it. Oh, there it is. You got it off. Where'd it go? Okay. I don't know if I got it on camera, but yeah, it came off. One of those wax got it off, so. Okay, so I guess I'll show you how to put it back in too. You gotta use a pliers and just kind of stick it between in here. And just squeeze it. Okay, got it. All right, so I'm gonna do this again. Hopefully I get it on camera. I zoomed out a little bit, so just you gotta have something that holds the chain, to keep it from flying off. So I'm just kind of holding the chain with my pincher fingers. So you see it? It just pop. It's pretty sudden. It just goes poof. It just pops right out, and that's it. So that's the clip right there, and then you have a plate right here. And they grease the crap out of this thing, man. And then you got your master link, the rest of the master link, the back, the pins and all that stuff. So there you go. Now we can install it. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and install this chain that came with the kit. So here's the chain right here, and so you're just gonna wanna feed that into the into here where the counter sprocket is. I'm gonna attempt to do that. I've never actually installed a chain on this before. And I think you want it to end on the sprocket. So I'm just gonna let that down there. I'm gonna let it sit on this plastic bag that it came with so it doesn't get dirty. Okay, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fish it through the sprocket. So the counter sprocket is hiding behind the swing arm here. There's this little pivot, this nut here, this weird looking nut, is where the thing is, and it doesn't move very easily. Okay, so if you move the belt, if you can spin the belt, you can spin the sprocket. So I just I've got it resting on top of the counter sprocket right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the pulley, the belt pulley, to actually help me fish it through. So I'm gonna just spin it forward, and you should see the chain start feeding through it. Okay. At some point it'll probably start coming out the other end. This is kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, yeah, so it's kind of hanging out the other end now. Now you can probably just pull it without pinching your hands. Well, is it hard? What is it hard to move? Okay, no, it doesn't want to do that. Just keep on. If you don't got enough, just try to keep on spinning that pulley. That actually helps a whole lot. Okay, there we go. So after like a certain point, the motor will just let you have its way with it. Oops. I think that's it. Is that it? Oh, Nikes. Okay, I kind of messed up. Okay, there's some kind of plate under the bike.